Ever wondered how to explore Tokyo on a budget in just 3 days? Well, you're in for a treat. We're about to uncover a 3-day itinerary, packed with iconic sights, delicious street food, and hidden gems that won't break the bank. Day 1 takes us to Asakusa and Ueno Park, Day 2 to the bustling Shibuya and Harajuku, and on the final day, we'll wander through trendy Shimokitazawa and admire the city skyline from the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on an exciting and budget-friendly journey through Tokyo. Commence your Tokyo adventure in the cultural hub of Asakusa. Here lies the iconic Sensoji Temple, a vibrant spectacle of history and spirituality that offers a serene retreat from the city's hustle. As you wander through the temple, take a moment to appreciate its intricate architectural details and tranquil atmosphere. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the bustling Nakami's shopping street, an ideal spot to sample local street food. From sweet red bean-filled dorayaki pancakes to savory yakitori skewers, these delicious bites won't break the bank, with most treats costing less than 500 yen. Then, it's time to head to Ueno Park. Hop on a public bus or train for a short ride that's as economical as it is efficient. Once there, unwind amidst lush greenery, or if you're lucky, under a canopy of blooming cherry blossoms. A fulfilling day of cultural immersion awaits at Asakusa and Ueno Park. Day 2 takes you to the heart of Tokyo's hustle and bustle, Shibuya and Harajuku. Shibuya Crossing, the world's busiest pedestrian crossing, is a must-see. It's a testament to Tokyo's constant motion. A stone's throw away is the loyal Hachiko statue, a symbol of devotion, attracting visitors from all corners of the globe. Next, venture into Harajuku, the epicenter of Japan's teen culture. Here, quirky shops offer a feast of fashion ranging from gothic Lolita to hip-hop-inspired outfits. And while you're there, don't forget to indulge in Harajuku's iconic crepes, a sweet treat that won't break the bank. As the sun sets, escape the city's chaos at the Meiji Shrine. Nestled in a forest, the shrine offers tranquility in the midst of the city's hustle. Remember, a one-day metro pass costs just around 750 yen, and it's the best way to navigate Tokyo's vast network. Shibuya and Harajuku offer a delightful mix of modernity and tradition. On your final day, delve into the hip and trendy neighborhood of Shimokitazawa. Known for its narrow streets brimming with vintage shops and cozy cafes, Shimokitazawa is a haven for the fashion-forward and coffee lovers alike. Spend the morning exploring, and you'll be charmed by the unique finds and the welcoming atmosphere. Treat yourself to a bowl of mouth-watering ramen at a local eatery. With a variety of flavors to choose from and prices starting from just 1,000 yen, it's a delicious and budget-friendly way to savor Tokyo's culinary scene. As the day turns to dusk, make your way to the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building. Ride the elevator to the observation deck, where you'll be greeted by a breathtaking view of Tokyo's skyline. The best part? It's absolutely free. Shimokitazawa and the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building conclude your amazing 3-day budget trip to Tokyo. So, how much did this incredible 3-day Tokyo adventure cost? This whirlwind trip, packed with iconic temples, cultural hotspots, and mouth-watering street food, came in at a surprisingly budget-friendly total. We navigated through Asakusa, Ueno Park, Shibuya, Harajuku, and Shimokitazawa, all while keeping our wallets happy. The grand total? Less than you might think. Traveling to Tokyo on a budget doesn't mean missing out on the city's best. Until next time, safe travels.